Let's learn how to crochet Almond Ridges stitch. Grab your crochet supplies and let's get going. Today I'm using medium weight cotton yarn and a 4.5mm hook. Start with a chain of multiples of 8 plus 5. For this demonstration, I'm using 21 chains. For row 1, we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from hook, and then slip stitch in the next 3 chains as well, for a total of 4 slip stitches. Once you have your 4 slip stitches, then we're going to do half double crochets in the next 4 chains. Keep alternating 4 half double crochet, 4 slip stitch to the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. From here on out, we're going to be working in the back loops only of our stitches. So here's the front loop, here's the back loop, and we're going to start with 4 slip stitches in the back loops only. And now that we have our 4 slip stitches, we're going to do 4 half double crochets in the back loop only. And just like in row 1, we're going to repeat that pattern, 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochet to the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. For row 3, we're going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to start with 4 half double crochets in the back loop only. And then 4 slip stitches in the back loop only. Keep alternating half double crochet and slip stitches to the end of the row. For row 4, we're going to repeat what we did in row 3. So we'll chain 1 and turn, and we'll start with half double crochets in the back loop only. And then slip stitch 4 in the back loop only, and continue to alternate until the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn, and we'll keep repeating rows 1 through 4 until you have the length that you'd like. So you start with slip stitches in the first row, and you'll do that for 2 rows, and then half double crochets for the next 2 rows. Be sure to follow along and check out other crochet tutorials on my channel. Until next time, happy crocheting!